Okay, well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, and welcome to our founder networking session. For those of you that are here for the first time, welcome. This is a session designed for you guys, all of our founders. The whole idea here is for you guys to get to meet each other. And what we'll do is raise your virtual Zoom hand. I'll call on you in the order I see you on my screen. And when I call on you, please introduce yourself. Tell us where you are joining us from. And you have like a 1 minute to your elevator pitch regarding your company. And after that, tell us if there's any kind of support or partnerships you're looking for with other founders, or whether you can help other founders in any way. And the whole idea here is for you guys to connect with each other, and we keep growing our community. Feel free to share your LinkedIn on chat, connect with each other, and let's get started. These sessions, we do these monthly, and they've been proven to be quite valuable for our founders to get to know each other. I know I speak to many of you guys during office hours, and I see a lot of synergies between some of the different founders of the companies that you're building. So this is a great way for you guys to meet each other and get to learn a little about each other. Please stay on mute until I call upon you. I really appreciate it. That way we can keep the session quiet for the speaker. And if you have any bots coming into the session, please remove them so we can keep the chat clean without any messages from bots. And with that, let's go ahead and get started. The first person I see is Russ Jones. Russ?
Hey, everybody. Russ Jones, founder and CEO of Private Fleet Net Zero. We help freight brokers. We have over $50 billion of freight spend in our active pipeline to buy private fleet trucking capacity. Private fleets are fleets of trucks that belong to the owner of the cargo. Think of a Walmart truck or a Sherwin-Williams truck. Those trucks are empty 80% of the time on their backhauls, and 45% of all trucks are in private fleets. So it's a huge opportunity. We're on a path to save over 700,000 tons of CO2 as well. And I'm on the lookout for raising money. So I'm, of course, looking for freight tech investors pre-seed, and also looking for AWS credits. It's great to meet everyone. Look forward to hearing your stories as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Russ. Xavier Smith.
Hey, how's it going? A quick question. Are we allowed to share our screens, or is it
No,
just
this
verbal?
is just to speak, just verbal. Yes. That
Okay.
way we can get through everybody. We have a lot of people on the call. Thank you.
Makes sense. All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Xavier Smith. I'm the founder of Neater Notes, which is a note-taking app that transforms bland, boring, or illegible handwritten notes and turns them into a very neat, aesthetically pleasing, stylized digital copy of it that's fully customizable so that the user can make their handwritten notes look any way they want. What we're really doing is we're combining the benefits of taking notes by hand, such as improved memory retention, with everything that also comes with storing them digitally and those advantages as well. And we're really trying to bridge the gap between the traditional taking notes by hand, as well as what a lot of other people are starting to incorporate into their workflows nowadays with the digital note taking and things like Notion. So in terms of what I'm looking for, right now on the C-suite side of things, we are looking for a CTO. And we're also about 2 weeks away from our beta release on the App Store. So we're looking for early adopters, a CTO, and any potential funding or partnership opportunities would also be great. So if anybody wants to reach out on any of those fronts, that'd be awesome.
Thank you, Xavier. Xavier, appreciate it. Okay, Diego.
Morning, everybody.
Hello.
So pleased to be part of the Peachscore program. I am Diego Cornejo. I am the CEO of Olas Surfing Technologies. If you are maybe familiarized with what surfing is, the sport of surfing just became Olympic sport in Japan. And what we do is we have the technology to create perfect surfing waves to build surf parks. So it's a sport, it's a wonderful sport. Surf parks around the world are just starting to be built. We only have 24 right now. 110 years ago, the ski resorts started, right now you have 6,500. That is the build of 50 every year. So imagine the potential. These surf pools are selling for 12 to 30 million dollars right now. And our technology, compared to the other 8 technologies that are out there, has many more competitive advantages. A surf park normally opens and it has an instant honeymoon in terms of visitors, 200, 300,000 visitors every year, creates new surfers, and it normally comes with other income sources like hotels, restaurants, food and beverage, schools, stores. So our aim is to take surfing everywhere. We are actually in the process of raising money to create our first showcase. It can be either in the city of Quito, Ecuador, or in the Canary Islands. We already have secured a letter of intent with a Canary Islands project that has chosen us as technology. And we are for that raising $10 million. We are also taking small investments if you would like to support us and also become a partner from the start. Thank you and good luck.
Okay, thank you, Diego. Okay, Mafon, you are.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm calling from London. So Mfond is the founder of Yieldy Technology. Yieldy Tech is an agri-tech platform. What we are doing is, on the average, any family in Africa spend more than 50% of their income on food. So Yieldy is aimed to make agriculture in Africa works and deliver food security. So the way we are doing this is to help farmers optimize their operation and promote sustainability. So what I'm looking for partners, either funding or anyone. Thank you. And I'm a software engineer, so anybody that needs help on the software side, I'm there to help. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you. Deborah Schwartz, please. You're on mute, Deborah.
Thank you, Payman. I'm Deborah Schwartz with Rocket Your Biz. I am the CEO and founder, and we build workflow automation systems for the real estate industry. The benefit of what we do that's different than traditional workflow is that we not only handle the things that are standardized, but
Please, folks, please stay on mute when you join. Thank you. Sorry, Deborah, go ahead.
I'm still on. So what makes us unique is that we not only handle the regularly occurring routine tasks, but we also handle dynamically occurring things. So if you get an email, a text message, a voice transcription, actual data being entered into a software system, our software system, it automatically will act on these things. So it eliminates a lot of work that an administrative assistant might do by automating those tasks. The things that we're looking for, since we are in the real estate domain, is to connect with other prop tech companies for potential partnerships or expansion. And what we can help with is that my CTO is an expert in some very unique ways of generating artificial intelligence and connecting it to the workflow. And so we can provide some coaching there if anybody needs.
Amazing. Thank you, Deborah. Okay, Mike DiCello, please. Mike, you have some audio issues.
Yeah, I'm not speaking. I think someone else is not.
Whose audio is? I found it. Okay, thank you. All right, go ahead.
Thank you. Mike DiCello, I'm the CEO and founder of Asuma Cloud ERP System. We're located in Westbrook, Connecticut. So basically, the last 4 years, I've been developing an enterprise resource planning for small to medium-sized businesses. For anyone who doesn't know what an ERP is, basically it helps you run your businesses within many modules that you can have a central data source so that you don't have to switch back and forth between data sources like QuickBooks and spreadsheets and so on. And having a single point of entry is very important because it prevents data entry and when you're updating data also. The 9 basic modules are dashboard, which is customizable, where you can view your business metrics. security so that you can have multi-users and they only have access to whatever you give them access to. In accounting, much like QuickBooks, we also integrate with QuickBooks so that you can actually do all your business through our ERP and then take your transactions and sync them with QuickBooks so that you can easily give them to your accountant if that's what they require. We have a contacts module, which obviously you have your contacts in there for your sales, but also for your vendors. Then we have the sales module where you can handle your quotes and your orders from, and purchasing, which obviously you're handling your vendors' purchases. Then we integrate with EasyPost where you can handle all of your shipping.
Shoot. Mike, sorry, you got muted. Sorry. Tried to mute somebody else and it jumped. So they muted themselves before I could do it. Sorry about that.
Not really sure where you heard me last, but basically we have shipping and receiving through EasyPost. Then we also handle inventory. So this way you can keep track of all your inventory, your pricing, and all of that. We also have human resources, which you can do your payroll through and track all of your employees' information through there. We have a manufacturing module, which is extra. But through there, you can handle your bill of materials, all your processes and operations and routers for your tasks. We're also going to be having a jobs module in the future where you can schedule and track different jobs and services through that. Our current integrations are payment gateways like Stripe and Sync, so that you can handle all of your payments automatically. All of your invoicing is done automatically. We obviously, like I said before, integrate with QuickBooks. We also integrate with HubSpot so that you can track all of your leads, and when they become customers, you could transfer them over to Asuma and use them within the application. For payroll, we have integrated with Gusto, which is a very strong platform. We also handle all our sales tax through Avalara Sales Tax, which will be coming in probably within the next couple of months. We should be done with all of that. We also handle e-commerce, so that all of your Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, Walmart sales, all of those sales get handled and grabbed from our system through all of those entries, and they all get processed through our system so that, again, you could have all of your inventory, all of your accounting, and all of that done through our system. That's basically it in a nutshell. It's so much more than that. If any of you guys feel that you need this or have someone that needs this, you can always contact us and we could give you a demo. We'd be happy to help you out.
Amazing. Thank you, Mike. All right, folks, just a real quick recap for those of you that just joined us. We're going around the room and having each founder introduce themselves and share about 1 minute regarding their company, where they're joining us from, as well as they can support any founders or are in need of any type of support or partnership. Raise your virtual Zoom hand and I'll call on you in the order that I see you. Please stay on mute until I call on you. And with that, let me go to Marvin, please, Leventhal.
Trying to unmute. Yes, hi. My name is Marvin Leventhal. I'm the founder and CEO of DataNext AI. We are the developers of Sway, which is a simple and easy to use platform developed for SMBs to manage their reputation online and use it for market intelligence. The platform actually allows you to gather data using keywords and hashtags. Then the AI inside the data, the platform generates insights that you can use to then launch countermeasures using our proprietary technology for video production in real time. So you can launch countermeasures, then it measures the information, and then at the end, takes all the data and learns what's happening, and then gives you predictive analysis of how you can improve your campaigns. We are looking for, partnerships. Since we're in the video space, there's always interesting things out there. Also, we're looking for seed funding, and also we are looking for case studies. Our MVP is going to be ready at the end of the year. So if anybody wants to test the platform and tell us how good we're doing or how bad we're doing, that would be great. And we're based in Delray Beach, Florida.
Great, thank you. Okay, David, you're.
So I am reading off a script because I have a stutter, everyone. So my name is David Hewer. I'm a CEO and founder of OrbMB. We're doing a business as orbintel.io. So, and I'm in Vancouver, Canada. So one of the hard problems of modern business is that we use data to make decisions.
Okay, so it's just to update the welcome email and spot the.
What's going on there?
Sorry, David. Folks, please stay on mute when you join or until I call on you. Thank you. Sorry, David. Go ahead.
Okay. One of the hard problems of modern business is we use data to make decisions. But it's expensive and hard to clean the data in the first place. It's hard because it's an intangible asset, and we've developed math logic to transform intangible data assets into operating assets. What we're developing is an advanced costing engine to help data teams optimize production at 2% of the cost of current methods. I'm seeking a head product to help develop the MVP, head partnerships, and yes, we are preparing to raise money.
Amazing. Thank you, David. Okay, let's go to Yun, please. Yun T.
Hello, good day. My name is Yun Tian. I'm the founder of First Element Energy in Perth, Australia. We have developed a flexible clean energy technology that integrate green hydrogen and power generation technologies to improve power grid reliability during renewable energy transition. And our technology is flexible in design and operational mode, and is adaptive to any environment regulation or electricity market changes. And I'm happy to share and also learn from each other, especially from those from energy industry. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Yun. Okay, Ben. Impresso.
Hi guys. My name is Ben Bay, and we are Impresso. I'm based here in Switzerland, but my team is pretty global, from the US all the way to Malaysia. What we do is we help teenagers and emerging graduates with their future careers. Our market size is around 300 million young people today. We have a diverse partnership with universities, agencies, coffee shops, even personal development apps, and even startups. What we are looking for today is collaborations with people around the world, from AI development to business development. And especially now with our launch of our app, we're looking for feedback. So if you have teenagers or family in universities, we're also giving, the app is also powered by AI, crypto, and NFTs. So if you give us your feedback, we have some airdrops to give away. Thank you.
Oh, giveaways. Way to go, Ben. All right, let's go to Taylor Meadows.
Hi, I'm Taylor Meadows. I'm the CEO and founder of Change Captain. And what we do is we automate compliance for software development. So we help eliminate the need for auditors to audit your software development related to SOX, CCPA, GDPR, FedRAMP, ISO, HIPAA, HITRUST, you name it. And beyond that, we're also giving management insight into how long did it actually take that developer to write that one line of code? How long did it take QA to test that one line of code, so you can improve your operational efficiency, as also to make sure you're getting what you're paying for if you're having contractors work for you. And then we use that data to automatically generate your software capital expenditure report, so you can obtain your research and development tax credits, which can add up to be very significant for most organizations. Thank you.
Great. Thank you, Taylor. Logan Condit, please.
Hello, thank you. I'm calling from Baltimore, Maryland. If anyone's in the area, feel free to get some coffee. So the problem that we're addressing is that local organizations have struggled with turnout and engagement from their volunteers or customers and other community members over the years. And so we've created an app called Props, which is a gamified community platform that basically incentivizes better turnout and engagement from these community members. And so we currently, and so this could be in a variety of different forms. Like we allow people to set up quests. So if you're a city event coordinator, you can set up quests to interact at different, visiting different stands at your festival, or coming to your event 3 times in a row. So sort of gamifying these different interactions. So it's a lot more fun, whether it's scanning a QR code or verifying through GPS. And so we have a beta, and we're going to launch the app on app stores in February. And we are looking for beta testers. If anyone likes to find problems with apps, we'd love to talk to you. And we're looking for partnerships and to network with other community-oriented businesses, whether that be like if you know any business networking groups that would like to gamify their interactions. Yeah, give me a holler. Would love to hear about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Logan. Marcus Linzik, please.
Yes, hi. I'm Marcus. I'm the founder and tech CEO of Pioneerdesk with over 25 years of experience in the tech and IT industry. I've seen firsthand the challenges IT teams face, spending too much time fixing issues, research, and not enough time driving strategic innovations. That's why I created Pioneerdesk, an IT automation platform that detects and resolves IT problems in the Microsoft environment in less than 5 minutes before they disrupt daily operations. From the results, we are actually at 90% less downtime and 30 to 50% boost in the productivity for the employees. And the IT teams can focus on what truly matters and don't need to do the recurring task every day. We've already helped our companies reduce their IT cost and improve the efficiency in time and money. Now we're looking for investors and or partners to help us scale the success and empower IT teams worldwide to become drivers of innovations. One point to the market, Microsoft currently have 1.4 billion Microsoft endpoint devices globally, but we are not able to catch all. 10% are. Thank you.
Thank you, Marcus. Fazal. Fazal, oh, there you go.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, we can. Go ahead.
Okay, and let me see if I can switch on the camera. Otherwise, I won't waste time. I'll just start. So my name is Fazal Siddiqui. I'm based in Toronto, Canada. I am the CEO of Opal Marketing, which is a multicultural advertising agency, and the co-founder of Sampi Tracker, which is a pioneering product sampling and measurement platform. We have been working in this domain of consumer product companies and working with brands in this area for some time, and we found a wide space, a dire need for to add a measurement element to product sampling. We have seen that big brands go to Costco and other retail stores, they give away samples, but there was a feedback loop missing. So we launched a sampling and monitoring platform called Sampi Tracker. It is an MVP stage. In fact, we are starting its LinkedIn advertising from today. The next steps is to add the SaaS model to it, to take it to global. We are already working on it and we are looking for partners to try it. The brands who are working in a consumer product domain, they are most welcome to try it from today onwards for free. It will help them monitor their brand activation and in-store activities. And then later we would be looking for financing as well.
All right.
That's about it. Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Folks, I see many of you that are here that haven't spoken yet. Please go ahead and raise your hand and I'll call you in the order So let's don't miss the opportunity to introduce yourself. So feel free to raise your hand and we'll go through until everybody's done. And with that, Hamid, please.
Hi everyone, my name is Hamid. I call you from New Zealand, Auckland. It's 5:30 a.m. here. Sorry if I'm a bit sleepy. But I'm CEO and founder of Value Aligners. We work in cybersecurity industry. In this industry, the solution providers, developers struggle with understanding user needs and like pricing. The end user, they face challenges in identifying suitable solutions, and we plan to help them for decision making. And also distributors, they struggle to relate the solution providers products to the end users. And cybersecurity companies and distributors overwhelmed by SKUs and limited end user information. At the same time, small medium sized businesses, they have problem in managing multiple cybersecurity tools that it end up around like 35 tools per each company they have to find, and they need to merge and combine these solutions together. So Value Aligners revolutionize cybersecurity market with AI-driven pricing intelligence solution. We are addressing the gap where solution providers struggle to price their offering and customers face challenges in finding the right security tools. We started around 8 months ago. We are in the pre-seed stage. We are working in our MVP, and then our team is in the New Zealand, Australia, and US. So we are looking for pre-seed investment to develop the main product at this stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Hamid. Let's see. Oh, Virend, please go ahead.
Good morning, everyone, fellow founders. I am Virend Gujral calling from great city of suburb of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania, where Constitution was, well, of course. We are building mobile robots that will charge electric vehicles. And also those robots will also manage the tire pressures of the fleets. We are targeting fleets. It will open the cap and put the tire pressure in. So a lot of fun stuff happening. Our product prototype is ready, and we have customers lined up to test it. Raising funds is name of the game for every founder. That's what we are also doing, and having fun. Pleasure to be here, enjoying this. Thank you, Payman, for having me.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you. Okay, let's go to Michael Ocha, please.
Thank you so much. Great first time to Peachscore. I'm Mike Ochoa. I'm the founder and CEO of Transcend Health. We are a population health tech company. We are based out of Los Angeles. The problem we're solving for is really coming alongside health plans and employers and labor unions, bringing prevention and predictive analytics and big data to help roll up that data and assess their population and intervene. We blend a service where we bring care teams of either mid-level physicians, different support staff, nurse practitioners, RNs, into either the home or into the employer site. And we build an ecosystem of healthcare delivery in the trenches, at the workplace or in the home. We're looking for some capital raise, pretty mature startup, have about 22 million in ARR coming. We've invested in some health tech and built out some of our own apps and AI algorithms. We have an RFP that we just won for a fairly large first responder fire department in the Los Angeles area, where we're integrating wearable tech, wearable watches, and taking that data to try to understand sleep algorithms and productivity scores in the workplace for fire, and building some policy behind that. So we have a lot of exciting stuff going on. Again, we're looking for collaborative partnerships in the health space, health tech space, big data, anything in wearables and AI. Happy to be here, very impressed by what Peachscore is doing. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Michael. Appreciate it. All right, folks, several of you just joined us. One, please stay on mute. Secondarily, raise your hand and I'll call on you in the order I see you. Once I call you, just introduce yourself, tell us where you're calling in from, as well as tell us 1 minute regarding your company and how you can help other startups, or if you're looking for any type of support, as well as any type of partnerships. With that, let me go to Andrea Marcio, please.
Happy to introduce myself. Good morning, good afternoon, all. I'm calling from Mexico. My name is Andrea. I am the CEO and founder of Black Cube Labs. We help startups and small and medium businesses to transition to AI. So we offer different things, from digital PR and SEO optimization to virtual assistant, workflow automation. And the ambition here is to create an ecosystem of generative micro SaaS. We are quite unique because we have a community with a network of 15,000 entrepreneurs and creatives and 458 members to date. And we are leaning towards generative art. We really like it. In fact, one of our products in the pipeline, which we are building, is a new generative art tool, and many more. Nice to meet you. I'm here actually to make good connections and help any startups here that need help with the things that I just mentioned. Good to meet you all.
Thank you, Andrea. Let me go to Chris Gerlach, please.
Here you go. My name is Chris Gerlach, and I'm the founder, CEO of Synergy Life Science. We're based out of the beautiful city of Atlanta, Georgia. We are here to disrupt the vape industry. This is our device. It's called Nebi, and it's the first pocket-sized water-based nebulizer. So it's about the size of a magic marker. All of the pieces and parts are put together, and it only uses water-based solutions, no heat or no oil, like the traditional vape market, which causes many health problems for people. They're learning. So we've been delivering medicines through the lungs safely for over a century here in the United States, and we've done everything from genetic testing to lung tissue studies to make sure that we are providing consumers what we call the safer vapor. And so that's us.
Great, thank you, Chris. Okay, Tukanbo, please. Tukanbo, you're on mute if you're speaking.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, my name is Tokunbo Adekanla, and I live in Nigeria. I'm the CEO and the founder of Teachly. Teachly is an edtech company that is trying to connect tutors with eager learners across the globe. And we're trying to do this by providing a platform whereby we have a live classroom, we have a one-to-one consultation on our platform. And then apart from this, we also reward knowledge sharing, and then also we reward learning new things. So by doing this, we try to make sure that teachers that come on our platform can always put their courses and they can always earn extra income, which will improve their economic power. Then also we look for an opportunity to also try to solve the problem of exam failure rates in the country, that's in Nigeria, among the secondary school students. And so we try to make sure that we improve the success rate in passing the exams. We launched in November, and after our MVP was ready. So presently we are working on our marketing. We are moving to different areas, and then we are trying to partner with more schools and then try to consolidate the partnership. And then also we're working with some marketers outside Nigeria that are also trying to promote our products. Presently, our expectation from this program is partnership with any edtech company that would know that we can always work together, because we are still looking for the CTO. And then also we are looking for a pre-seed funding to actually increase our revenue and then also to scale the company. Then, and lastly, we are expecting to also connect with other founders so that we can always work together. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Tabor West.
Hello, everybody. Can you see if this works here? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, go for it.
Okay. Tabor West. I'm co-founder and CTO of One Tier Corporation. We're about 2.5 years in on this. We have a large portfolio of cybersecurity related tools, everything from automated pen testing to risk assessment, encryption, decryption, secure networking, secure storage, so on and so forth. But our main product is an AI-driven orchestration engine that we call the Zero Trust Command Center. And the idea is to take any number of different products. When a cybersecurity trigger action occurs, we orchestrate multiple response actions to it across existing platforms as well as our platforms to both mitigate and then protect the customer. We are seeking funding, and our products are designed to embed into other people's products so that theirs is secure. So if this is something that any of you are looking for around the networking, the storage, encryption, decryption, then please let us know and we can have a chat and show you how to work.
Thank you, Tabor. Okay, let me go to, is it Ago? The Ago, or is it Ago, AGO?
Yes, it's Ago, AGO.
Ago,
Ago
yes.
is good, fantastic. It's Agostino, thank you so much. Yes, we work in data analytics, so we created a startup that essentially creates a platform for creating data-intensive applications, things of interactive and real-time dashboards, which are extensible by end users. So this helps, it's both B2B and B2B2B. So if you are a vendor of data or analytics and you need the data-intensive type of applications, which is easy to do and is extensible by the end users, so that the end users can also customize in self-service, then talk to us because potentially we can help with that.
Great, thank you. Sungan, Aller? Sunny,
Hey,
you.
yeah, hey. Can you hear me okay?
Okay.
So yes, hi, my name is Sunny, and I'm a CEO and co-founder of RentUp. We are basically transforming the rental real estate industry with creating a seamless and blockchain-powered platform, and it could be used by B2B SaaS solution from the property management and enterprises. Offering our tools, offering ID verification and background checks and listing management. On the B2C side, we are focusing on delivering freemium models and features and aim to renters seeking the faster and hassle-free applications. So our application is at a beta stage. So we are currently fundraising as well as about to conduct the beta testing. So if you're in the housing prop tech industry or related to blockchain, or if you're generally interested in testing our application, please reach out. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunny. Roya.
Hi, nice to see you, Payman. So
Likewise.
my name is Dr. Roya Kasravi-Far, and I'm the CEO and a co-founder of Innotech Precision Medicine. We're based in Boston, Massachusetts, and we're developing the next generation of cancer diagnostics using a multimodal biosensor strategy that is combined also with decision-making algorithm. Our preclinical studies show significant accuracy. We are getting greater than 98% accuracy for oral and nasal oropharyngeal cancer that we have been testing. And we are at the clinical stage currently doing our clinical studies. We're presently fundraising and also looking for strategic partners for companies that are interested in working on developing the next generation of in vitro diagnostics and point of care diagnostics. I also wanted to just give a shout out to Peachscore because I think that it's an amazing network with their diverse technology agnostic network that they can help so many different groups of companies. So thank you very much, Payman, and everyone else, and
Thank
Alex,
you.
everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Roya. Francisco. I hope you're not driving. And folks, while we're waiting for Francisco, if anybody else hasn't spoken yet, please raise your hand and I'll call in you. And Pascal, why don't you go ahead while Francisco works out the... Okay, Francisco, can you speak? One of you guys.
Hear me?
There we go. Okay, go for it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I had a emergency alarm in the building and I have to get out.
Oh, no worries. I hope everything is okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, everything seems to be fine. So thank you for the opportunity of speaking here. First, I'd like to thank you, Payman, for giving us the opportunity to join you. My name is Francisco Valle. I am a fractional CMO, a Chief Marketing Officer for Call for USA. At Call for USA, we are transforming and disrupting the money transfer industry, not only in the United States, but around the world, through a two-patent process that we have to combine both telephony and money transfer. We are all set to launch, and that's what we're doing, looking for money to launch. But we have everything set up with manufacturers around the world for the telephony part, as well as the retail side, more than 1,900 points of sale, including Walmart and Target and some other major retailers. So what we do, as I mentioned, is also trying. Right now, we filed for the third patent to actually the transfer under HIPAA compliance medical records of individuals around the world. Nothing like that exists right now. And on the personal side, you know, I'm an expert in the Hispanic market in the United States. I actually won 4 Palm Awards in the cable entertainment industry, which will be like the Oscars, you know, for movies. So if I can help any one of you with Hispanic market penetration of those things, I've done it from small companies to Walmart, and we grown 1,200%, for instance, in 3 months. So, and thank you also. We are already in contact with Argos, you know, the other company.
Yes.
Here. And I think there is a huge collaboration between the two of us. So thank you.
That's great. Always happy to hear that. All right. Thank you, Francisco. Let me go to Pascal, please.
Thank you very much. Hi, guys. Pleased to be here again. Payman, thank you so much. Thanks, guys. We are building Interview HQ that supports founders and recruiting teams with using AI and expediting their interview pre-screening by up to 73%. Today, a regular founder is inundated, and recruiting teams are inundated with lots of applicants whenever they post jobs, and sometimes they don't have the time to adequately process all the people they have. ATS help in lots of ways, but what we see lots of times is that ATS does a ranking of resumes, and people are getting wise and they begin to use AI to enhance their resumes. And so what we keep hearing from lots of hiring managers are, look, I have lots of great resumes, but when I meet with them, I'm not sure I'm getting the right kind of people I want. And then you see people posting the same jobs over and over again because they're not able to get the right people. But what we do, we've built out a system that uses AI to actually have a conversation with people, pre-screen them, do the basic initial stage of interviews for the business, so that 100 candidates you have for just that one job, you have all of them analyzed in real time, and as a founder or as a recruiting team, you're able to figure out whom to focus your time on. You figure out the top 3 people, top 5 people you want to get to meet, rather than spend your time looking through hundreds of resumes that never give you the right candidates. That's what we're building. We're live already. We're currently running closed beta with some other people. We're actively looking out for partnerships. And by the way, if anyone here is hiring, please let me know. We're working with the network. We're going to give you free access for some time to use this. Just all we ask in return is give us feedback. And that's it. If there's any way we can help with your recruiting services, and at this point, just anything we could do to help, let me know. I'm very happy to help. Thank you very much.
Amazing. Thank you. Let me go to Josh, please.
Okay. Well, I'm Josh. I'm the CEO founder of Inspired You. And kind of we take over where Pascal, I guess, apparently leaves off. We are training software that's AI driven to simplify training for small businesses. I guess you could say we cater to the services industry, which has really, really high turnover. And we have simplified the ability to create customized training programs that you could use. You could basically upload your manual, a video, whatever, and it'll create a full training course for you with questions, different varieties of questions, implement the training deadlines, everything you need. It's a set it and forget it, and it's made of modules, so you could easily pop out one module when you change anything, and it's awesome. It's literally changed the face of my business. I have a handyman company. That's why we created the software. So anywhere we could help out, happy to. And yeah, we're looking for funding, partnerships, anything we can do. And so far, yeah, I agree. Thank you. This Peachscore is amazing.
Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it. Let me go to Elena McAdams, please.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for sharing. My name is Dr. Elena McAdams. I'm the CEO and founder of CAHEC, and that stands for the College and University Healthcare Education Consortium. I know it's a mouthful, but we actually have a marketplace SaaS. So think Uber for clinical matching. So for those of you who understand the intersect between academia and healthcare, there's a huge gap with getting and connecting licensed clinicians with students. And so we actually offer a matching service, a matching app that allows students to find clinical sites. It allows colleges and universities to increase their enrollment by over 20%. And it also allows healthcare facilities who have clinicians who work for them to increase their throughput through orientation workforce by 50%. So it's huge. There's nothing else like us in the market. We are in the App Store and also on Google Play. We launched in the fall, and we are actually building out our fintech piece so we can get to revenue a little quicker. And that should be done by the end of the month. So we're just looking for people who understand the market. It's definitely a niche. So you really do need to understand the market, but it's wide open and no one's in it. So it's really a new business model, and we're in the commercialization phase of it and socializing the product in a way that we're solving a huge problem. So nice to meet all of you.
Great. Thank you so much. All right, folks, I still see a few folks on here that haven't had a chance to speak yet. Anybody else? This is a safe space. Go ahead and speak up. This is a great way to get your name out there and connect with other founders. Okay, sounds like nobody else wants to speak. Let me go ahead and stop the recording real quick here. Thank you all.